Hi guys, and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how to run Flux AI locally, completely free of charge. Flux AI comes in 3 different variants: Flux Pro, Dev and Schnell. The last 2 are available for free on GitHub. However, there's a catch. You need to know how to use the command line and have some technical understanding, which can be overwhelming for beginners like me. I wanted a simple graphical user interface, but those are usually only available through paid external services. Fortunately, there is a way to install Flux locally and use it for free. To do this, I'll be using Stability Matrix. Stability Matrix is a multi-platform package manager for stable diffusion web UI packages. These packages can be installed with just one click once Stability Matrix is set up. However, you might notice that Flux isn't included by default. Don't worry, we can still get it easily. At the top of the page, you'll find installers for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Click on the one you need and the download will start. I've already downloaded the zip file. You can unzip it and install it. I installed it as a portable version, which means you can move the entire folder to another drive and the program will still run with all your data intact, including all your models and other files. Now, you might have noticed the 2 other files in my downloads folder. We need these to add to Stability Matrix. The first file is the model, which you can find via the link in the video description below. Make sure to download the V2 version. It's a large file, nearly 12 gigabytes, so it might take some time. The second file is the AE file, the autoencoder. Go ahead and download that as well. Once downloaded, place these 2 files in the data folder. The AE file goes into the VAE folder, and the model file goes into the Stable Diffusion folder. Now, Flux is installed locally and we can start Stability Matrix to use it. When you start Stability Matrix for the first time, a pop-up will appear with a list of packages you can install. You'll need to install the Stable Diffusion Web UI Forge. If you accidentally close this dialog, don't worry. You can still access it under Packages by selecting Add Package, where you can install any of the available packages with one click. Now let's start Stable Diffusion Web UI Forge, the web interface for creating our images. The first time you launch it, it might take a bit longer to load. First, select the Flux checkbox at the top. Then choose the Flux model from the list, followed by the VAE. You don't need to adjust any other settings here at the top. Now we can type our prompt in this text area. I've prepared a prompt which I'll paste right into it. Below that you can adjust various settings. In my case, since I have a low-end graphics card, I'll adjust the dimensions. There are many other options to explore, but for basic image generation, the prompt is usually all you need. Click Generate and wait. In my case, it takes around 4 to 5 minutes to get the result, so I let the video play a little faster. The result looks good so far, but can of course have imperfections here and there. But just take a look for yourself and rate the picture. Let's do another quick example. I'm not cherry-picking results here. I'm just showing you real examples of how it works. I have one more example with this prompt. And here is the result of my 3rd image, again quite good, and also of course no cherry picking. Yeah, that's all folks. Now you know how to install Flux locally and use it to create as many images as you like for free. I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you next time. Bye.